Earlier this year, QRILL PET received accreditation from the Pet Sustainability Coalition for its ongoing commitment to sustainable krill harvesting practices and its dedication to the pet industry.
Hello, I'm QRILL from Aker BioMarine, and I'm the Customer Development Director for QRILL Pets.
Hello, I'm Ann Klein. I'm the Director of Member Services at the Pet Sustainability Coalition.
Yes, first and most, the brands and formulators are looking for healthy food for the pets, but they also want peace of mind. So that's why in these days, with all the sustainability focus that we have now, a clean label is a must for the brands. And we also know that the pets, the consumers, they want to know where the product's coming from. So that's why a product that has 100% traceability can be important for this group. And also, talking from the human side, we know that people that take omega-3s for themselves, for their own health, they want sustainable omega-3s, and they want a healthy earth. And to take that further to the pets, it's no wonder. So healthy body, healthy earth, healthy pets. When a supplier like us that value sustainability, we think that is important for brands and formulators.
Yes, so the Pet Sustainability Coalition is an industry nonprofit working group that supports the pet industry as a whole. We support from the entire supply chain, so from the retail side all the way down to the ingredients suppliers, distributors. We have two very important elements of our mission. First and foremost, we support members who are members of companies that are members of the Pet Sustainability Coalition in advancing their own sustainable practices. Second, we address large transformational issues in the industry, such as ingredient sourcing, packaging, and diversity, equity, and inclusion. Those are our primary strategic goals currently.
Yes, it's actually one of the most sustainable omega-3 sources in the world, a marine source. But we don't only care about the sustainability of the krill and the fisheries. We also care about all species in the Antarctica and the ecosystem where we operate. And now in 2021 we got an A rating from the Sustainable Fisheries Partnership. That's a non-profit organizations that do these ratings, and it's actually the 7th year following year that we got this. And that can take us further to help us fulfilling the commitments that we have for 2030 when it comes to being a sustainable fisheries. But in Aker BioMarine, we also have a commitment to reduce CO2 by 50% by 2030, and we want to be near zero by 2050. And by then, we also want to be have a fully circular waste stream.
Yes, the accreditation process is an important element of PSC's support in the pet industry. Our membership is open, it's an open model, so we want to help any pet company, any business in the pet industry to improve their practices and their sustainability practices. However, for those brands that are really doing a lot of work and want to elevate their performance, we have the accreditation program. The accreditation requires an assessment, which is reviewed by a third party with documentation. And if the member company, the company that's becoming accredited, reaches a minimum standard in the assessment and goes through the verification process, they're eligible to become accredited. This allows us to really recognize outstanding performers.
Yes, and it's very important, and we are very happy that we got accredited, and it will bring us to the next level in our effort to be a more sustainable company. And we also share the mission and the passion for sustainability in this industry, so we are very much looking for a partnership, working together, finding new, just being a part of taking this industry forward when it comes to sustainability. And we also hope and trust that our customers will see that benefit.
Sustainability Coalition has been growing significantly, and it will continue to grow with members. I think the future will see several important things. First and foremost, sustainable ingredient sourcing is very critical. If you think about, we always describe what's in the bag. 80% of the environmental impact is actually what's inside the bag, not the bag itself. However, plastic and packaging is also an important part and a key strategic initiative for PSC. Between those two areas, we have major initiatives going on to improve the industry as a whole, and the future looks very bright for continued improvement in that area.
Yes, of course, we want happy, healthy pets, and we want a healthy earth, and we will continue to innovate and push our industry forward. And we always will have sustainability top of mind while doing this. Just continue bringing our ingredients out in the world, and with all these benefits, health benefits that this amazing creature krill has, and just doing that. And we want to continue working with PSE and finding new ways to work together.
We do a major conference every year, and we alternate between packaging and a broader sustainability event. These take place in Boulder, Colorado, and virtually. The past 2 years they've been virtual, but we'll have a virtual hybrid in June 2023. Recently, in February, we had Unpacked, which was our conference that was focused exclusively on dealing with issues related to packaging in the pet industry.